You know that constant ringing, buzzing, or humming sound, the one only you can hear? That's not just aging, it's your brain misfiring. When tiny nerve cells inside your inner ear get damaged, your brain stops receiving clear sound signals, so it tries to fill the silence on its own, and that's what causes tinnitus. But the good news is, you can help your brain reconnect with your ears again. That's exactly what Audifort was designed for, to nourish your auditory nerves, improve blood flow, and support clear communication between your brain and your ears. I've seen people go from restless nights and constant noise to finally hearing peace again, not overnight, but gradually as their body begins to heal. So if you've been told to just live with it, don't. Ears need help reconnecting with your brain. Comment tinnitus and I'll send it to you.